Hello, today I will be presenting recommendations to create an ideal digital strategy for Aaberg Armor. Aaberg Armor is a startup technology company striving towards the goal of advanced home security. We believe our customers are like family and we want our families to be safe. This is why at Aaberg Armor we work around the clock to keep our products up to date so our families can stay safe. Here, we care about our customers and their safety, so we wanted to create something that will resonate with them and let them know we are concerned about them and want everyone to feel safe. Our unifying message at Aaberg Armor is, you love your family, we love safety. When we combine the two, we get Aaberg Armor. This motto is used within our company because it combines what we really care about, our love for our customers and their safety. Our target audience consists of two different customers' personas, the first being Debbie White. Debbie is a stay-at-home mother of four. Debbie is married and is involved with many activities at her children's school. With having so many young children, Debbie and her husband agree that having a safe home for their children is one of the most important things to them. Debbie has been researching new security systems and is eager to switch. We will attract Debbie with our home security system that includes the state-of-the-art cameras, and she will see advertised on her Facebook. Our Facebook page, she will see our Facebook group of our customers talking about their experiences with Aaberg Armor, and Debbie will want to join the group to feel a sense of belonging with our company. Our second persona is Josh Kite. Josh is a 25-year-old athletic director who has started his first job at a new city. Nervous of a potential break-in his new apartment, Josh spoke with his complex and they advised him to invest in a home security system. Aaberg Armor will attract customers like Josh by SEO. When he searches for best home security cameras, Aaberg Armor will be one of the first to appear because we have a blog post called 2021's Best DIY Home Security Cameras, and this will be the page he is brought to when clicking the link. Each camera listed will have a link under each description to a new page where he can purchase the cameras that were discussed on the blog post. In order to achieve our objectives, Aaberg Armor needs KPIs to keep our team on schedule and to ensure success. Our first goal to increase brand awareness. We will track its progress by monitoring web traffic coming from our social media sites, measure traffic rate with CPM through our website links and our blog link, and measure session durations. Our next goal is to expand social media awareness, and we will track this through measuring impressions, daily average users, monthly average users. We will increase our follower count by posting daily on all media platforms, by using hashtag under post polls about new products. We will gain audience interaction. Our last goal is for a successful launch of our new product release. We will ensure this by delivering ads on television and measure the return of ad spend. We will also post advertisements for our new products on our social media platforms and measure the traffic, session duration, and bounce rates. A different strategy is required on each social media site platform. Posts will always include a description, picture, or video of the product and a link to purchase said product. Facebook posts will also include replies to customers to help answer any questions they may have about our products or company. Although our main focus on Facebook is to create groups based on the location of high crime rates across the country to help facilitate a conversation about security, this will help increase followers and brand awareness. Since Instagram is known for posting pictures, we want to follow the trend and begin posting pictures too. We will post images of our products with the captions, describe the product features, and provide a link for purchase. Our content will also include the use of IGTV feature to reach out to our followers by posting sections of our YouTube segments. This will hopefully help our followers feel like they get to know us a little better and help facilitate a conversation about security and how Aaberg Armor can help their needs. We will also make posts offering advice to help with your personalized security, and we will reply to customers in comments and create direct messages to them to help fulfill their needs. We want our voice on Instagram to be known as the company who truly listens to its customers to help create a better company and product for the future. Use the YouTube platform for posting more in-depth videos about our products, who we are as a company, and a mini-series featuring our customers. Videos will be released weekly. This will always include one part of the miniseries and a video from our employees explaining their role at Aaberg Armor. We will utilize YouTube's live feature to host a live Q&A once a month to attract followers and to answer any questions our current customers may have. This will help Aaberg Armor connect and engage with our audience and help define our voice as a company that cares. Aaberg Armor has chosen 5 channels to release paid advertisements. This includes Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, and Twitter. Each has been chosen to utilize the different features of each platform to help us target our audience. On Facebook, we will aim to target males or females between the ages of 30 to 65 based on locations with high crime rates. This will help us identify people who may need security for their families and homes. On Instagram, we will target interests for people in the market for home security and home ownership. Instagram also says that they can target interests based on behavior and what account you may follow or engage with. We will utilize these aspects of Instagram to help raise brand awareness. With YouTube, we can target keyword phrases such as security cameras and home security systems to help us become recognizable on the platform. We will also use remarketing, so anyone who has previously interacted with our content will be more likely to see us suggested. On Twitter, we will target people who follow specific accounts. We will target people who follow our competitors and other relevant accounts relating to home security. Twitter will help us target people's interests too. If people are interested in home security, security cameras, or relating topics, we will know to reach out and follow these individuals. With Google, we will use search engine optimization to increase our website traffic by using keywords related to our business and products. Google will help us increase our PPC, therefore increasing our website views. Here are some content ideas we have for inbound marketing. On Facebook, we will use the groups created from our page and post weekly when our email series is sent out. This will ensure that anyone who is part of both the Facebook groups and email series will hear from Aaberg Armor and will make anyone in the Facebook groups who isn't part of the email series feel left out or want to join our email list. By reading our Facebook group, people will see the post about the email series and want to join. On Instagram, we will create a new graphic designed post each week to announce that our email series has been released. The graphic will be posted on the Aaberg Armor story as well as be added to the IGTV post too. To set our content apart, we will pin each of our story weekly to our page under the title Enroll in our email, so when anyone visits our Instagram page, they will be able to view a combined story of all of the weekly series posts. At the bottom of each story, there will be a link that will bring you to a sign-up page for the email series. YouTube will make the graphic designs from the Instagram posts and create a short video telling everyone to check their emails because the series has been released for the week. The graphic will be the same as the Instagram weekly one to try to promote a unison brand through each platform. In the video itself, there will be multiple links to click that will direct you to a sign-up page for the email series. Paid media budget will be between 5 and 10% of our revenue, making it around $100,000. This will cover content creation, which contains photography, graphics, video, talent from actors and people in our ads, production costs, copywriter, even a translator. Next, we have paid partnership with social media influencers and co-branded campaigns. Then we have training for our team and management. And then we have management itself, which includes social media managers who oversee social media management, the scheduling, publishing, listening, and engagement. We have audience research and growth strategy analytics, campaigns and promotions, and content creations, and community management. Next, we have software tools. This includes SEO, keyword research, content hosting, editing tools, project management systems, social media management platforms, and marketing automation and analytic tools. And then lastly, it will cover paid advertising. Thank you for your time. We hope you take into consideration all of our ideas and feel free to ask any questions. Are you ready to enhance Aaberg Armor's digital strategy?